Good morning, day 18 from the Appalachian Trail. We slept last night at Wayah Bald shelter. There's Cheyenne being Cheyenne. Good night's sleep, good people around. Hung out making dinner for a while. Went in my tent very early because it got really cold last night, which we're not used to because it's been pretty warm. Big Bertha squeaking. Today we're trying to get to Wayah Bald. Maybe we'll be convinced to do the other one. We'll see. Okay, bye. Well, we have been hike-a-liking for a little bit. I pulled ahead of Cheyenne because we were going uphill for quite a while, and I can't. I gotta just keep pushing. That's just how it makes it easier for me. But I think I'm gonna sit here for a minute, take a little potty break, and wait for her. So Cheyenne just caught up to me, but she's not with me because she stopped to go to have a potty break just like I did. But she was telling me she had stopped because at one of the campsites we passed by, there was a fire kind of still smoldering and going. So taking my moment to just say, make sure if you have a fire, you fully put it out. You never know. You never know. You don't want a forest fire to start. But in other news, I am in a pretty good mood today. Oh my gosh. I'm in a pretty good mood today. I slept pretty well, hung out with good people last night, so been in a little bit better of a mood coming out of Franklin than I was going into it, so that's good. I also took some time to read a lot of y'all's comments in Franklin when we were staying at the motel or whatever, because it was just us sitting in there. There wasn't much to do, no one to really talk to, just me and her. So until we could figure out how to put the TV on, we were just sitting on our phones. So I did read a lot of y'all's comments, and they were very helpful and kind. So I wanted to say thank you for you guys' kind words and following along with my journey. At this point, only I think up to day 5 posted today. So you guys are just seeing me like before like Neil's Gap even. So it's pretty wild, pretty wild. So basically what I'm learning is you cannot ride a bicycle, you cannot ride a horse, and you can only walk without a head on the Appalachian Trail. That's what I learned from this sign. Oh man, I'm a weirdo. I'm a weirdo. So I think this is Cold Spring Shelter, if I'm not mistaken. And then there is a sign that says Camping Point 1 with a view from a bald sunrise. Just made it down into Tellico Gap. I tell you what, downhills, killer right now. Downhills are way worse for me than uphills. Uphills I feel like I can power through. But downhills, they just hurt my ankles bad. You guys can see through the trees right there, but that's the fire tower we're getting to. We're going to town! This is literally the trail right now.
Friday! You just completed a 15 to 16 mile day. How do you feel?
I want to go to Disney World! Made it. Dying. It's okay, Cheeto.
Oh, shit, you got the right idea there.
Right?
That's a white cheddar knife. So
oh, okay, go. No.
Just set these down. Well, we made it to the cabin. I'm gonna go to bed soon.